In high-precision manufacturing, even a 5-micron deviation can make or break a part. JingDiao's IMIM technology, in-machine measurement and intelligent modification, brings a new standard of accuracy, automation, and intelligence to machining. Traditional machining relies on manual adjustments and trial cuts, introducing human error and slowing down production. Factors like origin deviation, tool wear, and size variation impact the final result. IMIM changes that. Developed by JingDiao, this technology uses real-time sensing to detect deviations in both workpieces and tools. Through intelligent NC programming and automated in-machine feedback, IMIM corrects errors on the fly across both 3-axis and 5-axis systems. With IMIM, JingDiao systems consistently deliver ultra-tight tolerances. In one example, a complex aluminum housing part achieved just 3 microns in dimensional deviation and 5 microns in axiality, fully measured and compensated in machine without external intervention. To show just how smart it is, a coin is placed under a machined part, creating a clear deviation. IMIM detects the misalignment, recalibrates the coordinate system, and perfectly aligns the machining without any manual adjustment. As you can see, the mill perfectly enters the holes. To demonstrate its finesse, JingDiao machines engraved letters onto a raw eggshell flawlessly. It's not about the egg, it's about treating every delicate component in every industry with unmatched precision. Even with intentional misalignment, IMIM recalibrates and corrects automatically. Paired with JingDiao's JDFMS loading systems, IMIM enables true in-machine automation, creating the foundation for dark factory operations. JingDiao. Practice intelligent manufacturing.